Dear students, welcome to E-Prashnaku Badiladi program. In this program, today we are going to learn some organic acids and their natural sources. So, what is acid? If any material which is sour to the taste or which turns blue litmus into red, such compounds are generally we used to say acids. Mostly by using pH scale, we can recognize whether the substance is acidic or basic in nature. According to the pH scale, if a compound have a value between 0 to 7, that is said to be acidic. That is said to be acidic. It has acid nature. That means, if it is more than 7 to 14, that is said to be basic in nature. It turns red litmus into blue. Generally, if the pH value is between 3.5 and 14, that acid is called weak acid. Weak acids have pH value between 3.5 and 7. That is a particular acid has a pH 6.5. That means it is a very weak acidic in nature. If an acid has less than 3.5, that is between 3.5 to 0, that is 3.5 and 0, that substance is a strong acidic in nature. Generally, organic acids, that means acids which are derived from organic substances, living substances, they are said to be organic acids. They have weak acidic in nature. That means, their pH will be generally between 3.5 to 7. So, now acids generally acids have two types. Some are mineral acids, the others are organic acids. Acids which cause to form minerals in the earth's crust, they are called mineral acids. For examples, sulfates. Sulfates are formed in the earth's crust due to sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid reacts with the sodium hydroxide, they form sodium sulfate. Magnesium chlorides or magnesium hydroxides, they form magnesium sulfate. Similarly, phosphates, phosphoric acid is the cause for the formation of phosphates. Nitrates are formed due to nitric acid. Similarly, chlorides are formed due to hydrochloric acid. So, these acids are cause for the formation of minerals in the earth's crust. So, they are called as mineral acids. The other acids which are derived from daily used living species, derived from living species such as plants, fruits, animals or anything, such acids are called as organic acids. Organic acids, for the first organic acid is, let us say acetic acid. That is not first, means alphabetically it is the first, acetic acid. Acetic acid is present in the vinegar. What is vinegar? Vinegar is obtained for the fermentation of this rice powder solution, that is barley solution, barley powder solution, or starch solution, or apple juice solution. They are after fermentation we will get vinegar. If the vinegar is obtained from apple juice, fermentation of apple juice, that is called cedar vinegar, apple cedar. In that the main constituent is, main part is acetic acid. Its formula is CH3COOH. The structure is like this. This is called carboxylic acid group. This is CH3. It's called ethanoic acid. It's IUPAC name. What is IUPAC name? IUPAC's name is a systematic name. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemists. It is a group of chemists. They frame some rules to explain, to name the substances or acids or bases or organic compounds. Those are names are called systematic name. Those are called IUPAC names. For acetic acid, the IUPAC name is ethanoic acid because it consists of 2 carbons. Eth means 2 carbons. Oic acid means OH is also there. Ethanoic acid. Another thing is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. It is present in citrus fruits like lemon, orange, etc. Apple, tomato. So, these are it is present in citrus fruits. Ascorbic acid, vitamin C. It is generally called as vitamin C. It is useful to give immunity to human body. So, this vitamin is very useful and it also cures the skin diseases. Its IUPAC name, the structure is like this. Its IUPAC name is 1,2-dihydroxyethyl 3,4-dihydroxyfurane 2-1. Next one is butyric acid. It is also obtained from butter, that is a material obtained from milk. Butter, milk or curd or buttermilk. So, such butter consists butyric acid. It is butter is a ester of butyric acid, triglycerides, ester of butyric acid. Butyric acid, the IUPAC name is butanoic acid. It also consists COOH group, carboxylic acid, 4 carbons. So, butanoic acid, butanoic acid. Citric acid. Citric acid is present in lemon, oranges, etc. just fruits mostly. It is a tricarboxylic acid. Tricarboxylic acid. Its IUPAC name is a 2-hydroxy 2-carboxy propane 1,3-dioic acid. Formic acid. Formica means red ants. It is present in the stings of red ants. The it is simply whenever it injects to that material, that small formic acid into your human body, so it forms it gives some itching to the human beings. So, this is formula is HCOOH. Its IUPAC name is methanoic acid. Lactic acid. Lactic acid is present in curd or buttermilk. Lacta means milk. So, it obtains an fermentation of milk, curd and buttermilk obtained. The buttermilk curd contains lactic acid. It is a 2-hydroxy propanoic acid, is also carboxylic acid. Malic acid. Malic acid is present in not malic. Malic is unsaturated acid. Malic is saturated. That means it has no carbon-carbon double bonds. Apple, apricots, cherries and pears. It consists of pears. This is a pear, cherries, apples, grapes. So, in these generally it is present. Its IUPAC name is 2-hydroxy dicarboxylic acid. It consists 2 COOH groups. Hydroxy butane dioic acid is the IUPAC name. 2-hydroxy you can write. 2-hydroxy butane 1,4-dioic acid. So, palmitic acid. Palmitic acid ester is called palm oil. The palm oil on hydrolysis gives palmitic acid. Palmitic acid is a saturated acid, hexadecanoic acid. It consists of 16 carbons. 16 carbons, a carboxylic acid contains 16 carbon chain. Hexadecanoic acid, it is a saturated acid. Palm oil is not good for health, because saturated esters may form triglycerides, so which are harmful, which creates blacks in veins, blood veins. So, oleic acid is present in olive oil. It is unsaturated, double bond is there, and double bond, if carbon double bond is there, that is called unsaturated. Octadeca 9 enoic acid, it is IUPAC name. It is unsaturated acid. So, olive oil is unsaturated ester. Oxalic acid is generally present in spinach, palakora, spinach. Spinach is a dicarboxylic acid, ethane 1,2-dioic acid. You should not take this what is called, you can generally we used to say tomato and spinach combinedly you should not take as a food. It may create some stones, oxalates. Oxalates are cannot dissolve in water easily, so it forms stones in the kidneys. Stearic acid is also a saturated acid. It is a mustard, it is obtained from mustard oil. Mustard means mustard, from mustards you can get on crushing you will get oil. It is an ester of stearic acid. On hydrolysis you will get stearic acid. It is its IUPAC name, systematic name is octadecanoic acid. Tartaric acid is obtained from tamarind and grapes, that is sour grapes. Tamarind, it's called tartaric acid is a dicarboxylic acid, dihydroxy dicarboxylic acid, 2,3 dihydroxy 1,4 butane dioic acid. It is its IUPAC name is like this. So, tartaric acid is present in tamarind, which are we using generally in daily life as a food. So, this is some acids and normal acids which occur in our daily food and in surrounding organic materials. This may be useful, some general knowledge, or sometimes it may be obtained in the entrance bits also. Thank you. Please subscribe.